This place is amazing. Let's go downstairs. So this place I'm staying at in Rotterdam, not a hotel. Yes, you hear me right. N-O-T, as in not a hotel. It's a bit mysterious. So let's go and see what that actually means. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you inside one of the most intriguing places I've stayed, a place in Rotterdam that proudly calls itself not a hotel. This is Rotterdam's most confusing accommodation, and let me show you why. Let's go around the outside of the hotel. So here we are in Schapstan. That's the street. Wow, look at the lights. Wow. From the entrance hall, I will let the footage do the speaking for itself. Come along, let's discover all the little surprises together. This video reflects my personal experience and opinions only. It is not a review or critique of the hotel. That's the designer of this floor, I think. After check-in, they take you straight to your room. But before the room tour, let's take a look around the communal areas. They are pretty special. This place is amazing. Steps up to another room over there. Amazing. Now we are here in Rotterdam. I have purposefully left out the price that I paid for the one-night stay for a solo traveler. All the information is available online. Not a hotel. Wow, look at that. My room is tucked away in this nice bright corner, and now it's finally time for the long-awaited room tour. Let me know in comments if you have stayed at Hotel Not in Rotterdam. Have you stayed at this hotel? Share your experiences. Here is to first impressions. It's very clean, very minimal, and the bed is absolutely huge and so comfortable. There is no TV, and that's not a problem. The view outside of the window is even better for the mind. It's quite spacious and the room design is just lovely. A separate shower, a toilet with its own sliding door for privacy, and this cozy corner desk that's perfect for calls, editing, vlogging, whatever your day looks like. From the bed, you can see this picture of a businessman asleep on his travels, and honestly, I get it. This room is kind of an escape where you can finally rest and just be by yourself after a busy day. Things you discover when you slow down. I didn't even notice this last night. There is no TV in the room, but right outside my door, you could sit here for hours just letting your thoughts wander and relaxing in front of this art therapy. I was so tired last night, so I went straight to sleep. Only this morning to discover they have a tray outside with hot water and a great selection of teas, although not my usual morning coffee, but honestly a perfect substitute. I was leaving quite early in the morning, so no time to enjoy breakfast, but here is what they have. What a nice selection of breakfast options. They call it Breakfast Fit for Stars. Just filmed it on my way out. And honestly, after spending a night here, I can see why. It is creative, calming, a little quirky, and full of thoughtful details that makes it feel like a true escape. After leaving such a beautiful place almost for 4 hours still in Rotterdam, back on the road again. Hope you have enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you on the next one. We're still wandering through the Netherlands together.